Welcome to our channel trailer for additional source income. In today's economy, diversifying income streams is crucial for financial stability. Here, you'll discover various opportunities to boost your earnings. Join us on this journey to explore strategies that can lead to financial freedom and security for you and your family. What is additional source income? Additional source income refers to earnings beyond your primary job. Unlike primary income, which is your main salary, additional income can come from passive sources like investments or active side hustles. These diverse income streams enhance financial stability, providing a safety net and opportunities for growth in uncertain times. Types of income streams. There are various income streams to explore, such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, and creating online courses. Each option offers unique benefits like flexibility and potential earnings, but also comes with challenges such as competition and time investment. Consider which options align with your skills and interests for the best fit. Success stories. Many individuals have achieved financial independence through additional income. For instance, one person turned a hobby into a thriving online store, while another leveraged freelance skills to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Their strategies included consistent effort and adaptability, proving that financial success is attainable for anyone willing to pursue it. Tips for getting started. Begin your journey towards additional income by assessing your skills and interests to identify potential streams. Start small, focusing on manageable projects before scaling up. Remember, consistency and perseverance are key. Staying committed to your goals will ultimately lead to financial success and greater opportunities over time. In summary, exploring additional income opportunities is vital for achieving financial security. We encourage you to subscribe, like, and share our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to check out our related videos and resources to further enhance your journey towards financial independence and success. Thank you for watching.